You see, today I'm going to be making a stress release juice. And you see, when time with stress, it affects us both mentally and physically. Meaning you can't really concentrate on nothing. You can't relax because your body is like your body just tense and you can't easy. So you see this juice now, the ingredients I'm going to put in this juice, them have nutrients that work naturally to decrease the stress hormone and also make you get a good night's sleep. Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. So some of the ingredients then that's going into this stress release juice, we're going to be using 2 handfuls of baby spinach. Make sure you wash your ingredients then. And the spinach, it can prevent cancer, reduce blood sugar, it can help in good bone health, aid in weight loss. The spinach, it is also good for our eyes, reduce hypertension, it have anti-inflammatory properties in it, and it can keep we relax. And that's one of the things why I use the spinach in this juice, because it's a stress release juice, so we want it to keep us relaxed. Next, we're going to add 3 stalks of celery inside it. Make sure you wash your ingredients them as well. And the celery, it is rich in vitamins and minerals. You'll enjoy vitamin A, vitamin K, and vitamin C, plus minerals like potassium and folate when you eat or drink the celery juice. It is low in sodium and it have a slow and steady effect on our blood sugar. Broccoli, we'll be adding 3 stalks of broccoli inside it. And broccoli, it is packed with vitamins and mineral and bioactive compound like vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin B9, potassium, and many more. The broccoli, it contains potent antioxidants that offer health protective effects. The broccoli again, bioactive compound may contribute to reduce inflammation. It may protect against certain type of cancer. Antioxidant and fiber may aid in blood sugar control. The broccoli, it may support heart health in various ways, promote digestion and reduce constipation. And the broccoli, it may slow mental decline and support healthy brain function. So the bottom line is what I'm saying, the broccoli is nutrient-rich vegetable that may enhance our health in various ways, such as by reducing inflammation, providing blood sugar control, boosting immunity, and promote our heart health. I'm going to add in 1 carrot, a nice sized carrot. If you haven't got a big carrot, you can use 2 small ones. And carrot is a good source of fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidant. The carrot is also known to lower cholesterol level and even improve our eyes. I'll be adding in 2.5 to 3 cups of water. So that's just a brief description of all of the ingredients them and some of the benefits that they have to offer. I'll put a more detailed one in the description box below so you can go and have a look. So if you like the information we're getting so far from FadaGugs, just give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and also turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. So now let's just go on and make that stress release juice. So I'm just push this to the side, bring the blender forward. So basically what we want to do, we need to just put all of the ingredients, cut them up and drop them inside of the blender. With the broccoli, you can just drop the broccoli them in the blender just like that, because them done cut and wash already. With the celery now, you just need to cut up the celery. Got some nice size. And then just throw them inside of the blender. Just like that. Yeah, just like that. And so just throw them in the blender, cut them with some nice size of the blender now for the too much work. And you can even extend the life of your blender at the same time. So just like that. Now with the carrot now, we're going to use a peeler, and we're going to just peel off the carrot and just give it a quick wash, and a wheel that's ready to go. The peeler start play up here now. Look for get the next one. So just like that. We just give it a quick wash. Here we have it. Now just cut off the bottom, cut off the top, and then just here you have it. Just drop them inside the blender. Just like that. Just move them out to the side a bit. And spinach now, just take the washed spinach and just put them in the blender just like that. Very easy and simple juice. And it relaxes you as well. Kind of de-stress your body. So just like that. And then we're going to throw the 2.5 to 3 cups of water in the mixture now. Remember, you don't want to really put too much water because you don't get the benefit out of it if you pack it up with too much water. There you have it. Then we put our top and ready to go. Just get these things out of the way. Blender forward. So there you have it now, people. Ready to start the process of blending. So let's go. All finished blend. I'm just get this out of the way. And because it's a juice, I'm a straining bowl. Because we're going to strain it to strain out all of the pulp and all of them things out of it. Oh, you can smell it and smell nice. So what we're going to do. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, just throw it out in the straining bag. To get the nice juice out of it as well. So what we need to do now, just lift the bag and just watch your stress just run away. Yeah, that's nice. So here we have it, people. All strain looking nice and smooth. So I'm just get my spoon and just give it a nice stir and give it a taste. See what I go on. Yeah, that is nice. Tastes lovely. The only thing this could have do it, if you want, you could squeeze a bit of lime in it. That's the only thing. So let me just bring back my chopping board so I can throw it in a nice glass so you can have a proper look and see what I go on. So I have a nice glass. Just throw that stress release juice inside it. Look at the color of that, man. It's just beautiful. So there we have it. Then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just put some of the ingredients them beside it. Just like that. Broccoli. A couple celery sticks. And then we're going to just throw some leaf on it. Last but not least, nice straw. So here we have it, people. Stress release juice, the final product. And remember, you see this juice, it is high in amino acid, which help to elevate our mood and promote a better sleep. It is also high in magnesium, which help to relax our nerves and our muscle. So if you like the video from FadaGugs today, just give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. And as always, share with your friends and your family. But for now, until next time, FadaGugs is out.